we want to find the value of the trigonometric function cot minus 15 pi by 4. So cot minus 15 pi by 4. So what's the value? Well, we don't know yet. That's a job to find out, right? First, let's talk about what negative angles mean. In our convention, we move around this circle in the anti-clockwise direction, so in this direction, and we consider the angles to be positive, right? That's just by convention, okay? And so conversely, when we start moving from here or from any point in the anti-clockwise direction, then we consider the angle negative, okay? So minus 15 pi by 4, this angle just means that instead of moving in the anti-clockwise direction, we are moving in the clockwise direction, okay? Now we know that when we move one full circle around this circle, it covers an angle of minus 2 pi radians or 2 pi radians, depending on how you're considering it, right? So let's break down this negative 15 pi by 4 in terms of 2 pi or minus 2 pi, okay? Why? Because after a full traversal around this circle, all of our trigonometric functions reset, right? That means cot 0 radian is equal to cot 2 pi radian, or this is also equal to cot negative 2 pi radians, okay? That's why we want to break minus 15 pi by 4 in terms of this minus 2 pi, okay? So how can we break that? Well, minus 15 pi by 4 is equal to minus 2 pi plus pi by 4, right? Just do the math and see, which means cot minus 15 pi by 4 is in essence equal to cot pi by 4, okay? Let's visualize this on the circle. So first what we are doing is we move minus 2 pi, okay? So from here, I start from here and then I'll move around this circle negative 2 pi angle, which means I'll come back to this point after this one full circle, okay? Next we have minus 2 pi, which means again I'll go around minus 2 pi and arrive at this point. So this is covered. Now I'm at this point, right? And this is plus pi by 4, which means this is a positive angle, right? And we know for positive angle we travel in the anti-clockwise direction. So for this final pi by 4, I'll move around this way and make an angle here. So this is my final position and I'm making an angle pi by 4, okay? So that's why cot negative 15 pi by 4 is equal to cot pi by 4 finally, and this value is equal to 1. So this is a standard angle, right? We know its value to be 1. So the answer is 1, and there you have the solution, okay?